Alright, so got a flat tire. I tried to fill it up. It definitely was leaking. So we bought one of these babies right here. We're going to get a slime 26-incher extra strong self-sealing tube, put it in there, give it a shot. Okay, so the first thing we got to do is get the tire off, which is important. So we're just going to flip it over upside down, and this one comes off pretty easy. Pull this and turn it, and loosens up, and should just come right out. There we go. Of course, the brakes are hindering our progress. I got to loosen the brakes up. So, all right, so we got the tire loose. Now we got to get this part off of it and switch out the tube, which I've never done before, so I'll try to figure out how to do this. I think you need some type of tool. May end up taking this to Rich Wagon. So I'm going to get a screwdriver. I think that if I just get this flathead screwdriver in there, I think I need to just pop it along the line here until it comes off. Just like that. I think that's what they do. They just go all the way around until it pulls off. I think it should just pop right off like that. Just pull it. Yeah, see? There we go. So that works pretty good. You just got to kind of pull it off. Get it off there. First time I've done this, so I don't, I'm just basically trying to figure out. We're almost there. All right, that's that. Okay, now I think I just have to pop. I can feel the tube in there, and I think if I just pull this tube out, I could put the other one in and then just pop that back on there. So I'm going to pull it all the way down to here. I'm going to push this out. Then, bam. So that's that tube. Right now I just got to put the other tube in. Can't be that hard, right? All right, so here's our tube. I'm going to pull it out of here. Loosen her up. There she be. Not too bad. Now we're going to stick that baby in there. Make sure I'm recording. Yes, I am recording. It's not taking that long. So what I got to do is I got to find that hole. And I want to make sure that I push this through that hole. So I got to take the cap off to get it through there. And I'm going to push that through. Don't want to go through. And because this rubber thing is not in there right. So anyway, you got to get that thing lined up right there. You see it? Let me show you. You got to get that rubber, this hole right here, that hole, you got to get it lined up to that. Push it through and you're ready to go. Okay, so let's try again. All right, here we are. I'm going to take this side, bring it here, push it through. Nice. Then I'm going to put the cap on, kind of keep it there. Right now I got to get it inside here all the way around. So I'm just going to kind of feed it in. Feed it in like this. Hopefully this works. I don't know. It's the first time I did it. I don't even know if this thing fits right, but I'm hoping it does. Pushing it in, feeding it in. Trying to keep it nice and uncluttered. Yep, it looks like I'm doing it right. Uh-oh, shit. Interesting. Alright, so now we got to get this back on there. All we got to do is just squish it. Squishes right on. Just like that. I mean, it's nothing to get it back on there. And make sure your tire's in there. Popping it. Oops. Get that in there. You don't want it. You don't want to get it pinched. And then we'll try to blow it up. See how she does. Okay, now I gotta use this. Kind of pry it in the last couple inches. Get your tires in there. If this doesn't work, I'm taking it to Rich Wagons. There we go, we're getting there. And bam, that's it. All right, now the question is, did I do it good? And we're gonna blow it up and see. So I got my trusty pumpage. See how she works. Hopefully I didn't crimp it, and it's good. Push this down, lock it in. Here we go. Seems to be doing it okay. I think we're there. One more pump. All right, that's it. Okay, now we got to get it back on the bike. Right now. Okay, so we got the tire on there pretty good. You want to make sure that you get it inside of these things all the way around. This side here goes on the right, on the left. And this, I got to kind of squeeze it, get it through these brakes. We'll go through there once I get it in. Whoops, screwed up. Oh, shit. All right, first of all, I gotta make sure that I don't. All right, there we go. Okay, now we're looking good. All right, so now we're gonna put this on here. Squeeze it down, push it in. There we go. Now we're there. Then we're going to tighten this. So I turn it. Let's come in here so you can see it. So this right here, I'm going to hold this side, and then I got to tighten this in. And so I want to make sure that these are right on this thing. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to get it until I'm pretty tight. And then this is like a clamp. Then I pull this, and it really gets it. So I got to loosen a little bit, because then I pop this way. Nope, not enough. Loosen a little bit more. Then this way. That holds that tire right on there. And we got to make sure it free spins. That's good. Now we can pump it up. Now we can pump it up. All right. Okay, so pumped it up, and now we're going to see how she rides. All right, so here we go. All right, looking good. Front brakes are working. Seems to be okay. All right, riding her. All right, Delray Beach. Not bad. I think we fixed the tire in this one. Let's go back. Okay, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Tom Fixes Stuff. I've got a bunch of them on YouTube, Final Cut Pro, other technology, and just about anything that comes my way that I need to fix, I'll record it and show you how to do it. All right, thanks a lot.